Usually, crypto whales invest in currencies like Ethereum and Tron. However, believe it or not, more and more whales are getting into Dogelon Mars. Will it be able to replace the other crypto coins and become the most popular coin among whales? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss if whales are purchasing a huge amount of Dogelon Mars. But before that, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay notified. Let's head into it. The whale favorite. As the value of Dogelon Mars surged by 250+% in the last 30 trading days, the token attracted the interest of whales and drew their attention. In recent WhaleStats data, ELON was the altcoin that whales were most interested in trading just a few days ago. According to the statistics, each and every one of the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets has put their bets on ELON. A number of investors have expressed interest in it, with many expressing hope that it will be the next big thing in the financial world. Throughout social media channels, Dogelon Mars is developing in popularity, and its reach is getting progressively wider with each passing day as well. An offline advertising campaign for ELON has also been launched by the company's investors, who have placed posters on billboards around their individual cities. The tagline reads, "Missed SHIB? Join Elon on a mission to Mars." On Elon's official Twitter account, a large number of photos and videos from the company's outdoor advertising campaign have been shared. When it comes to altcoins, Dogelon Mars, with a jump of plus 4,000% in October 2021, gave every other coin on the market a run for their money. Since its introduction into the indices in April, the currency has generated incredible returns for investors who got in at the beginning of the bull run. Since its inception, the currency's value has climbed by more than 9,500%, leaving early investors with a windfall of cash in hand. After reaching a new all-time high of 0.0000259 on October 30, 2021, ELON has seen a 35.6% decline from its previous all-time high. According to the company's stock price, although the currency continues to be associated with pleasant emotions, it is possible that its price may surge to new highs during the next bull run. Dogelon Mars is a low-hanging fruit that can be grabbed for less than a penny and is a smart investment because of its abundance. Because of its accessibility, new investors are flocking to it in the expectation that it will bring them fortunes while simultaneously removing zeros from the equation. It is a new cryptocurrency on the market, and if it continues to expand at its current rate, its price may be in a better position in a few years. The fact is that Dogelon Mars has already gained a significant foothold in the market. In only a few short weeks, it has effectively spread throughout social media platforms, and its popularity is only growing with every passing day. More people who see it means more money will be invested in it over time. If you are searching for the next SHIB or Doge to invest in, the ELON cryptocurrency comes highly recommended. The coin is intended to be held for the long term, since every time it removes zeros, the value of the coin increases significantly over time. At the time of writing, Dogelon Mars is trading at $0.0000166, showing a negative 4.9% loss for the day. Currently, the cryptocurrency has a market value of $929 million and is the 133rd most valuable coin in the world by market capitalization share. The mysterious whale. As the level of intensity continues to climb, science was completely unaware of the acquisition by the unknown whale of a colossal 44 trillion Dogelon Mars coins for a whopping $80 million by a mystery and unidentified whale. This is most likely the most important acquisition in the history of ELON during the month of November in the year 2021. A total of 44 trillion coins have been amassed by the whale over the course of 18 days, during which time he or she has been regularly adding Dogelon Mars coins to their bag. The most recent transaction today led the price to swiftly move into the green, and it presently up plus 4.3% in the 24-hour day trading session, according to Bloomberg. According to the website, evidence from Etherscan.io indicates that the whale purchased 44 trillion Dogelon Mars tokens in 3 distinct transactions. WhaleStats scanned the transactions out and tweeted, "A whale just bought 44 trillion 421 billion 24,704,949 ELON in the last 18 days, and also added, will add Dogelon Mars follow in the footsteps of $SHIB." Also unknown is what prompted the whale to feel that the price of ELON will increase dramatically in the following days. The rumors that Binance might list ELON sometime during the first quarter of 2022 on the exchange have gone viral on social media, albeit they have not been confirmed. No formal announcement have been made by either Dogelon Mars or Binance on a potential listing of their respective exchanges, even though none of the reports have been confirmed. Because of the most recent whale purchase, speculations have begun to circulate about the possibility of Binance listing ELON, as well as the possibility that the whale in question is an insider with knowledge of the happenings. Some have even hypothesized that Binance is the whale, and that they are buying up significant volumes of tokens before they are listed on the market themselves. However, it should be noted that none of these possibilities have been independently verified, and they might possibly be based on hearsay. Another wave of supposition comes from Academy Binance, which is another division of their company that is committed to educate individuals about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, among other things. It was earlier this month that the cryptocurrency exchange Academy Binance issued a piece with the title, "What are meme coins?", in which they made a reference to Dogelon Mars. Even the formal handle on Dogelon Mars expressed gratitude to Academy Binance for noting them in the article and posted on Twitter, "Thanks for the mention at Binance, $Elon." Additionally, as the rumors of an ELON and Binance listing began to circulate, Academy Binance removed the article and the page now displays a 404 page not found message. By the way, did you know ELON is that popular among whales? Let us know in the comments section down below. Concurrence for Ethereum. The first cryptocurrency that a significant number of crypto whales have been buying up at the moment is Ethereum, as you are unquestionably aware of. However, despite the fact that the price of Ethereum has been unable to surpass the $3,000 mark once again, many experts believe that the currency will reach $5,000 before the end of the year, based on reliable Ethereum price prediction comments. Even while Ethereum has already achieved its previous all-time high of a little more than $4,000, the cryptocurrency's success has been short-lived, as its price has fallen in reaction to yet another tweet from Elon Musk. However, despite the fact that there hasn't been much change in the currency, it is progressively becoming more favorable as an increasing number of cryptocurrency whales continue to acquire the coin. In addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum, Tron is a cryptocurrency that has already seen tremendous growth. On June 4, 2021, as a result of yet another tweet by Elon Musk, Tron saw a temporary drop, falling nearly at the exact same time as Bitcoin. Despite this, the cryptocurrency recovered immediately and is presently seeing substantial growth. Because $TRX is one of the crypto's whale's preferred investments, the price of the cryptocurrency does not fluctuate significantly, and the price has been showing but maintaining consistently positive in recent months. Another crypto whale has entered the market, and the currency is being acquired by yet another buyer on an almost daily basis. Because there are so few individuals who believe in the coin now, it is possible that the coin has great potential. Despite the fact that these two currencies have not experienced considerable increase in recent weeks, ELON has attracted more new whales than any other cryptocurrency. Therefore, it's feasible that ELON may overtake both Ethereum and Tron as the most popular cryptocurrency among whales. What do you think about whales getting into Dogelon Mars? Do you think it will become the most popular coin among whales soon? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day and I'll see you in the next video.